Ok, vamos a empezar con la exposición y vamos a darle de la siguiente manera. Ok, my present, my present, my present. Voornaam Aníbal Fausto, surname Melo Cansaya. Good morning, Evelyn. My name is Aníbal Melo. I am from Peru and I live in Cusco. I'm beautiful and historic city. I am 25 years old on an economy which are much dearest in managed. I am a representative responsible was working on creative person in unknown well-being student and profession, which research project and thesis development. My family is very important to me. When present and world people until world truths and me good and dirt on other body. Good ways did motivate. My everyday they are intelligent, spirits and supers and light with standing and formally on. Pressing birthdays and improved facts on true life. Every day and words up read I'm sitting I'm in swearing our prac. Click my email and stretch work on academic and business projects and offered on su computer and pupil and reports impressment and pressing document and in offered in submitted in the club. Student and one eyed on the rich book and you video at technology and spread intelligence and are adding helps and interests in life technology, economy, and management, and all with lesson to music travel and life one different culture and the to date. Instrumental and strokes Cusco light frog in visit at ports and royalty meal and life summit me and import very date. Thank you very much.